There are many best food processors to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best food processors from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the product description for pricing and details. Number 1. NutriBullet Ultra Plus Plus 3 to 1 Compact Kitchen System. 1200W Kitchen System with blender, food processor, and coffee and spice grinder. Upgrade your kitchen with the NutriBullet Ultra Plus Plus Compact Kitchen System, a versatile all-in-one appliance designed to handle everyday food preparation with ease. Powered by a high-performance 1,200-watt motor, it functions as a personal blender, food processor, and coffee and spice grinder in one compact unit. Blend smoothies and shakes, chop vegetables, slice and shred ingredients, or grind fresh coffee beans and spices for maximum flavor. The intuitive Glow interface and secure locking attachments make operation simple and convenient, while the streamlined design saves valuable countertop space. Whether you're preparing healthy meals, quick snacks, or fresh beverages, this powerful kitchen system delivers consistent performance, making it an ideal choice for busy households and home cooks. Number 2. YPCO Food Processor Blender Combo. 60 ounces 1200W all-in-one kitchen machine self-cleaning, grinding, chopping, mixing, shakes, hot soups. Simplify your kitchen routine with this powerful all-in-one cooking blender, designed to blend, grind, chop, cook, and more in a single appliance. Featuring a high-performance 1200W motor and durable 8-blade stainless steel system, it effortlessly processes frozen fruits, ice, vegetables, nuts, and hot ingredients into smooth, consistent results. Its hot and cold blending capabilities make it ideal for soups, smoothies, soy milk, sauces, frozen desserts, and shakes. With 9 one-touch programs, a 12-hour programmable timer, and a 6-hour keep warm function, preparing meals is convenient and stress-free. The built-in self-cleaning feature makes maintenance quick and easy, while the compact design helps reduce countertop clutter, making a practical addition to any modern kitchen. Benefits: got all-in-one convenience. Blend, cook, chop, grind, and prepare hot or cold recipes with one versatile appliance. Time-saving operation. Preset timer, keep warm function, and self-cleaning mode make meal preparation and cleanup effortless. Number 3. Generic Grand Kitchen System 1200W Blender Food Processor Combo with Auto IQ, 72-ounce pitcher, 8-cup bowl for smoothies and dough. Create delicious smoothies, frozen drinks, and healthy recipes with professional blender featuring Auto IQ technology. Powered by a high-performance 1,400 peak watt motor, it effortlessly crushes ice, frozen fruit, and tough ingredients for consistently smooth results. The one-touch smoothie Auto IQ program automatically pulses and blends for perfect texture, while low, high, and pulse settings provide complete control for customized recipes. Its large 72-ounce BPA-free pitcher is ideal for family-sized servings, making meal prep quick and convenient. Dishwasher-safe components ensure fast cleanup, while the durable construction and sleek design make a reliable addition to any kitchen. Backed by a 1-year limited warranty, this blender delivers powerful performance you can count on. Benefits: powerful blending performance. The 1,400 peak watt motor easily crushes ice and blends tough ingredients into smooth, creamy textures. Easy and convenient. Auto IQ programs and dishwasher-safe parts simplify blending and cleanup, saving time every day. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Blender and Food Processor Combo for shakes and smoothies with 3-cup electric food chopper attachment. Enjoy versatile food preparation with the Hamilton Beach Food Processor and Blender System. This all-in-one appliance includes a 40 ounces glass blending jar, a 20 ounces travel jar, and a 3-cup food processor attachment for chopping, slicing, shredding, and pureeing. Featuring 12 blending functions with pulse control and the patented wave action system, it continuously pulls ingredients into blades for smoother blending results. From smoothies and sauces to salsa and dressings, this multifunctional system handles a variety of kitchen tasks with ease. Dishwasher-safe jars, lids, and blades make cleanup simple, while the built-in cord storage and drip-free pouring spout add everyday convenience to your countertop. Benefits: all-in-one versatility. Blend, chop, slice, shred, and puree with one compact kitchen appliance. Quick and easy cleanup. Dishwasher-safe components and a no-drip pouring spout make meal prep and cleanup hassle-free. Number 5, Oster Blender and Food Processor Combo with 3 settings for smoothies, shakes, and food chopping. Simplify meal preparation with the Oster 3 in one kitchen system, combining a blender, food processor, and personal blender in one versatile appliance. Powered by a robust 1,200-watt motor and featuring dual direction blade technology, it delivers smooth blending and efficient food processing for a variety of recipes. Choose from thin, medium, or thick texture select settings, along with 9 auto programs and 4 manual speeds, to achieve your preferred consistency. The 8-cup BPA-free blending jar is ideal for family-size recipes, while the 2 portable blend and go cups make smoothies easy to enjoy on the move. A 5-cup food processor attachment adds convenient chopping, slicing, and grinding capabilities. Benefits: Point 3, in one convenience. Blend, process, and prepare smoothies with one compact appliance, saving kitchen space. Custom texture control, multiple texture settings, and speed options. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information. Or, if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.